All right, so some of you are curious at what the update actually looks like. So I'm going to show you a little bit. There's really not much of a change, but I'll show you some graphic stuff. Not graphic, not like that, you nasty. So let's get right into it. All right, so for starters, the map, it looks the same to me. I don't use the map or navigation on the car, so I'm not really familiar with what has changed, but it looks the same to me. Obviously, I'm sure it's just updated with new roads and stuff. But the thing that you guys been waiting for is the drive modes. This is the graphic for the drive modes. I don't know what that is. It's not a stinger, and I want my stinger back. I mean, the under the car, it looks pretty cool. Hopefully that's not foreshadowing what the stinger is gonna look like. But let's be real, all of us are driving in sport, right? Anyway, thanks, Kia. Bring back the stinger, please. But everything, it stays the same on here. This has not updated. You see my fresh full tank of gas, 93, baby. But the radio as well. When you have the radio, you have this here as shown in my update video. And it looks the same. So whether you use AM, FM, or XM, it's all here, and you have your favorites here. I don't use XM, so I don't know if you could add a XM station and kind of commingle with the FM, but whatever. And the cool things too, so let's go back to the map. So let's just say you want to change a song and you're using Bluetooth audio. A little drop down right here comes down and it will show you or tell you what song is next, which is nice because we didn't have that in the last update. So honestly, it's a nice update, but I wouldn't mind sticking with the last version of what was available, especially because of this ugly old thing. So but I appreciate you guys.
Could you try again?
Siri, you're trying to talk to me? Anyway, I appreciate you guys watching. Until next time.